Hi friends, I am Rajendra Maruti Jadhav, Assistant Teacher, New English School, Hubli, Taluka Chipun, District Ratnagiri. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe my channel today to see new educational videos every day. Today we are going to learn about Maths Part 2nd, Unit number 1st, Similarity. Marks have tens. Thank you. Marks. We will study the following points on this chapter. First is ratio of the areas of two triangles and related properties. Second, basic proportionality theorem. Third, converse of basic proportionality theorem. Fourth, theorem of angle bisector of triangles. Fifth, property of three parallel lines and transverse. Sixth, test of similarity of triangles. And last one, seventh, theorem of areas of similar triangles. Let's remember, we have studied ratio and preposition. The statement A and B are in the ratio is also written as or as B. In previous standard, we studied the area of any triangle. Area of triangle. Area of triangle is equal to 1/2 into base into height. Base into height. In the given figure, segment BC is the base. BC is the base and segment AD is a height. Therefore, the area of, in a symbol, area of triangle ABC is equal to, the formula is 1/2 into base is segment BC and height is AD. Using this formula, see the following figures. Tell me the bases and heights of triangle. In first figure, in the given figure, segment, in first figure, segment AD, segment AD perpendicular to segment BC. AD is a perpendicular to BC and therefore the segment BC is the base and perpendicular segment is a height. Write down the area of this triangle. Area of a triangle ABC is equal to 1/2. Here the base is BC and height is AD. See the second figure. In the given figure, segment PS is a perpendicular to segment QR. In this figure, the change the direction of perpendicular. Segment PS is a perpendicular to QR. It means QR is the, in this figure is QR is a base and segment PS is a height. Segment PS is the height. Write down the formula. Area of triangle PQR is equal to 1/2 base into height. Base is a segment QR and height is a segment PS. See the figure number 3. In the given figure, segment XT is a perpendicular to segment ZY. Here segment XT is a perpendicular to segment ZY. In this figure, base is a ZY and perpendicular XT segment is a height. Write down the area of triangle XYZ is equal to 1/2 base into height. Here in this figure, ZY is the base and height is the XT. XT is the height. In this type, write down the areas of triangles. In figure, heights and base are the position are different. Let's see next point. Ratio of areas of two triangles. In this two figure, first figure is in the given figure in a triangle ABC. Segment AD is a perpendicular to segment BC. Segment AD perpendicular to segment BC. And in this triangle, BC is the base and AD is the height. BC is the base and AD is height. Segment BC is the base and segment AD is the height. In a triangle PQR, given the triangle PQR, segment PS perpendicular to segment QR. In triangle PQR, segment PS perpendicular to segment QR. In this figure, in a triangle PQR, segment QR is the base and segment PS is height. Write down the ratio of two triangles. Ratio of two triangles. First triangle is area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR. We know that formula of area of triangle ABC is 1/2 into base into height. In a first triangle, base is a BC and height is a AD. In second triangle, area of triangle PQR is, formula is 1/2 and here the base is QR and height is PS. In this formula, 1/2 is cancelling. Here the area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to BC into AD upon QR into PS. Here the product of base into height upon base into height, and therefore the ratio of areas of two triangles, therefore ratio of areas of two triangles ratio of area of two triangles is equal to the ratio of the product of their base and corresponding height. The ratio of the product of their bases and corresponding heights. Ratio of area of two triangles is equal to the ratio of product of their bases and corresponding height. Here the BC is the base and AC is the height, QR is the base and PS is the height. The ratio of area of two triangle is equal to the ratio of product of their bases and corresponding heights. If the base height and area of one triangle, if the base, height and area of one triangle is denoted by B1, H1 and A1 respectively, then the other triangle is B2, H2 and A2 respectively, and therefore the area of first triangle upon area of second triangle is equal to, area of first triangle is the B1 and height is H1 upon the area of second triangle is the base is the B2 and height is the H2. This is the ratio of area of two triangles is equal to the ratio of product of their bases and corresponding heights. Here the ratio of area of two triangles is the B1 into H1 upon B2 into H2. Case first see here, both the triangles are of equal heights. Both the triangles are equal heights. Then here AD and PS is the height, and AD and segment PS is equal. Here segment AD is equal to segment PS. Here the both triangle are height is same, is equal to H is equal to H. The ratio of area of two triangles is, write down, ratio of area of two triangles in the area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR. Area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to, the ratio of area of two triangles is equal to the ratio of the product of their base and corresponding heights. Here the first triangle base is the BC and height is the AD, and second triangle base is the QR and height is the PS. Therefore segment AD and segment PS height is the equal, BC into height is H and QR into height. Height cancel, remaining BC upon QR. Here the BC is, first base is B1 and second is B2. Therefore write down in this ratio of two areas of triangle A1 छेद A2 is equal to B1 छेद B2. Ratio of area of two triangles. Both the triangles are the equal heights. Then the ratio of area of two triangles is the equal to base upon base. Thus area of triangle with equal heights, thus the areas of triangles, area of triangles with equal heights, with equal heights are proportional to their corresponding bases. Thus the area of two triangle with the equal heights are the proportion of their corresponding base, base of first triangle and base of second triangle. Here case number 2, see here the both the triangles are equal bases. In the given figure, triangle ABC and triangle XYZ base are equal. This is the base is B1 and the base of second is B2. Second triangle base is B2. First triangle is height H1 and second triangle have height is H2. Here BC is equal to YZ. BC and YZ are the base of this triangle, and therefore B1 is equal to B2. Ratio of area of two triangles is the ratio of product of base and heights. Therefore area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle XYZ is equal to base into height, the base of first B1 into H1, B2 into H2. Here the B1 and B2 height base is equal bases, and base is cancelling, remaining the height H1 and H2. Area of triangle first is A1 denoted by A1 and second triangle is A2. Triangles are of equal bases, then the proposition of their corresponding heights. Case number 3, both the triangles are of equal height and bases, then the here base of first triangle is the B1 and second triangle base is the B2, and height of first triangle is H1 and second triangle is H2. Here the equal heights and equal bases is equal to B1 is equal to B2 and H1 is equal to H2. Write down the area of two triangles, area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to B1 into H1 upon B2 into H2. Here the heights and bases are equal, cancelling to base into base and height into height. Therefore area of first triangle is the A1, area of second triangle is equal to A2 is equal to 1 upon 1, and cross multiplication of these two ratios, A1 is equal to A2. Here the area of two triangles are same. Both the triangles are of equal heights and bases, then the area of two triangles are same. Thus area of triangles with areas of triangles with equal bases and equal heights to their areas of both triangles are same or equal.